Want to access more investment options on the Dodl app? Here's how to upgrade from basic to advanced investing quickly. Now, first, open your Dodl app and log into your account. From the main dashboard, tap the profile icon or go to your account settings. Look for an option that says investment preferences or account level. Now, select upgrade to advanced or a similar option shown in the app. You will likely need to answer a few questions about your investment experience and knowledge. Now, complete the questionnaire honestly, as Dodl uses your answers to check if advanced investing is right for you. After submitting your answers, review the risks and disclosures carefully. So if you agree, confirm your upgrade request. Dodl will notify you once your account has been upgraded to advanced investing, unlocking access to a wider range of assets and features. And that's it. You're now ready to invest with more flexibility and advanced tools on Dodl. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more quick guides, and let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next.